Mom, you're gonna say this is gross.
What's up and welcome back, Thrashing Outdoors. Today's another mystery tackle box video. I have requested, instead of getting the bass box, I wanted some ice fishing stuff. So I switched the account to ice fishing. I have 4 more boxes left on this. I actually just recently switched back to bass fishing. Basically because of 2 reasons. One, I've got a surprise coming for you guys eventually. You'll see in next month when I get that bass box. And it's dead of winter and there's like no ice. So unless I want to go ice fishing, I gotta go way up north. And right now I don't have time to, and it's not looking like it's gonna be much ice fishing this year. So just to kind of give you guys a heads up on, you know, the variety that you can get with these boxes. They come with the walleye, bass, I believe panfish and catfish, ice fishing. There's several types of different stuff, and that's one of the reasons why I like this box. So let's make this video short and sweet and see what you get with the ice fishing side of it. Now I can tell you right now that I know they didn't mess up and send me a bass one and not do the switch, because this box is so light. The lures are not very big. All right. So our sticker of the month, and by the way, this is January's box, but there's our sticker of the month. And then, like always, our Mr. Dibble and tricks. Tips and tricks from the mystery box. Let's see what we got today. Mr. Carl himself has challenged me to do an MTB trick shot challenge. Film yourself pitching, flipping, or skipping a jig into this month's box and share it. Showboating is encouraged. So that's cool. They're being, you know, interactive with their customers. All right, so in the first page it says 3 new fishing challenges for you to try. Jot it down, hang them up right, and try that new. So it's just kind of a couple things they wrote in here for you to try. Hang them up is like hanging things up right away will make your fishing trip so much easier. Put used baits back in their designated spots. Throw away garbage. Garbage I don't have a problem with. Putting the lures back where they go right away, I could definitely work on that a little bit. But usually by the time I'm done with the fishing trip, I got about 3 or 4 lures in a cup holder and a little slot. And then, you know, I got my soft plastic in with my hard baits, and I could definitely work on that a little bit. So for the record, an 8-year-old named Sophie recently landed the Idaho state record rainbow trout measuring at 36.5 inches. Holy moly. And then also on this side is 4 quick ice baby. It says 4 quick tips. Mark them out, large in charge, and it gives you some tips on some ice fishing stuff. And then on the back is super mega difficult crossword puzzle. And that's your Mr. Dibble tips and tricks from Mystery Tackle Box. Next up is our what's inside the Ice Fishing Pro. And like I said, I'll take and add all these up and let you know what the box equals out to. Let's go with the first thing I see here. Looks like a spoon. It is a origami blade jigging spoon. Molten hot magma is the color. It's a 1/8 ounce and length is 1.5 inches. Looks pretty nice. It's got a lot of good color and detail on it. I don't know if you guys can really see that. Looks good. The cost on this one is Origami. Oh, 13. Yep. Okay. $4.99 for that right there. Next in the box. Looks like we got a couple jigs. This is by Kinder's Tungsten Bright UV. It's a 4mm number 10 hook. It's yellow and red with a little orange. Back says tungsten fishes heavier and more sensitively than other metals. Feel lighter bites and get down to fish quickly. And this one is $4.99 for 2 hooks. That's kind of expensive, I feel. See them in there? Pretty cool stuff. Like I said, I want to get myself a nice little box put together of all ice fishing stuff, because one day I'd like to go again. It's been a year or two since I've been. So this is Arnold Tackle Company. Premium lures and accessories for ice fishing. Looks like we have 4. Anise bombs. Catch more fish. Canny stopper lures. That's what these are. Doesn't really tell you a size. And on the back it just says great fish attractor, strong anise scent. Anise? Anise? I don't know how you say it. Comment below if you know. Versatile design, special segment body, mix and match. So there's 4 of them in here. And this is a I think these are $3.99. $3.99 for those. Just show you on the back a couple ways to tie it. Next up, what we got? Ooh, oh, that's pretty. That's real pretty. Oh, it's got a polar bear on it. This is Sitka Arctic Fisk, however you want to say it. Arctic Rim Lure. Doesn't have a size on it that I can see. And nothing really on the back. So no idea how much it weighs. The treble hook on it is fairly large. And most of my fishing, I'm looking for crappie, bluegill, or walleye. So I don't know. It looks cool. This is a the list is a lot longer when you get to ice fishing stuff. I guess it's not as expensive for everything. Sitka. Where's Sitka? Frostbite spike? Nope, that's not it. Not a clue. Doesn't really tell you much on the box. So we'll come back to that. We'll put this on the side and see if we can find it after we do all the rest of them. Next up, the Lunker Hunt Straight Up Junior 3/16 ounce weighted lure. This actually looks really good. I mean, this is pretty cool. Natural Series by lunkerhunt.com. It's a white bass, 3/16 ounce. There you go. And this one is right there, Lunker Hunt Straight Up, $5.79 for this. So that's pretty cool, actually. You can see it's got some pretty good detail on it. It's got, looks like 2 hooks and a treble hook, so you can catch them from all sides. That's pretty cool. I'd be excited to use that one. This here is Frostbite Performance Plastics. They're 1 inch long. They're spike. And it looks to be there's 2, 4, 6. Maybe there's more in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 in here. Frostbite. $4.49 for this package of lures. The back looks like that. So pretty cool. Got a couple more things in here. All right, these are Widowmaker lures, tungsten, number 12 size. They glow. Oh, that's cool. All right, so Tungsten Caddy's Cane, number 12, by the Widowmakers. This is $3.99 for these two. Boy, these little boogers are expensive. $3.99 for two of those little bitty suckers. They look pretty cool. They're bright and they glow, so that'd be cool. Next up, Glowing Moon Jigs. This has that anise bombs, catch more fish thing again. I'm assuming that's a smell. This was made by K&E Stopper Lures as well, just like the one before was. This one is $2.99. Doesn't really say what size they are or the colors. But that's what it looks like. That's what the back looks like. Alright, so this is the last thing in the box. These are Frostbite again. They glow as well. They're the T-Series. Tungsten jigs. They look kind of crazy. They don't really have a size on them. These are $5.35. So, cool. So those look like a little purple and yellow. Nothing on the back. So we'll try to figure out which so Moon Jigs we got, Widowmaker I've seen, Arcadia Jigger, Ice Minnow. I think I've seen that one. Nope, that's got to be this. So I think this is Arcadia Jigger Ice Minnow is how they have it listed here for $3.99. Arnold Penman, let's see, he's right there. Frostbite Spike is right there. 13 got that. Kinders, I've seen that. Frostbite T-Series, I've seen that. And yeah. All right, so we got them all. All right, so there's your mystery tackle box for January of 2020. Welcome to the new year. And like I said, it's the ice fishing box. Next month, I switch back to the bass. Like I said, I have a little bit of a surprise for you guys. Yeah, it's not a huge, but it's definitely something that's going to be cool. I'm excited to bring it to you. I'm waiting for it to arrive right now, and then I'm going to wait for my February box to arrive, and then I'll bring it to you. So, once again, if you have any questions about Mystery Tackle Box, I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that, but I do enjoy getting a Christmas present every month. And it seems to me that most of the lures and everything that come in it are pretty quality. And you're getting your money's worth. Like I said, I'll put up on the screen right here how much this box was according to their sheet, and let you guys know how much you got this month for the ice fishing. It's supposed to be $40 or more. I think when I renew after my last box, I don't know if I will renew yet, but I think I'm going to. It's $281 for 12 months of the boxes. So, like I said, that's pretty good, especially when you're getting about $480 worth of tackle for the year. And like I said, it's just like a Christmas present. So, if you don't like it, you can cancel it anytime. Like I said, I'm not sponsored, but I do enjoy getting them, and I just want to bring you guys the box, and so you can kind of see what's going on. Just kind of, if it helps you choose whether or not you want to sign up for it. I'm giving you an honest view of what's in here. I'm not getting paid by them, so what I say right here is how I think, in my opinion, on. So until next month when I bring you the next tackle box, please watch all the other videos I've got up. I've got some other things going on with my truck, and I'm gonna bring some videos on my rangefinder after using that. So yeah, stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.